Hello, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Himu, and this is
Mugdhu Talukdar.
and we said, we started a series like English speaking challenge.
We're just randomly walking on the road and just talking in
just
English.
talking in English, and our goal is to make just speaking. There is no other goal. Just speak.
We just
and,
we just
want to improve.
search a place for where we can shoot. Then we get a light from
Get a light
there.
here.
Then we started the video.
Started the video, and we sometimes we feel shy to make video outside, and
No, I'm not feel shy. I'm just confident. boy.
you are feel
But
shy.
my English is so bad,
and now our goal is to as much as we can learn vocabulary, and
Yeah.
and we can use vocabulary by doing this kind of stuff, and we can make our we fix our sentences and structure and
Listen,
other
brother.
stuff.
Where we stand, the behind the place is the historical place. It's called Rani Guti. Where is one time? Where is Kumilla Rani? Kumilla Queens
Victoria,
is
Victoria?
no, not
Is it
Victoria.
No.
Tripura.
Tripura.
Tripura Queens is stay here, and they lived here. This was a historical place.
This was historical place one time.
Yeah. Now it's not collected from government. That's why it becomes people's
People came here
came here and do
doing-
something bad things.
and they hang around here, and
I'm also bad people, but I just eat a
But-
pea.
the peace, and people are pass by, they're beside us, and they're walking.
They're
and
thinking
they're watching
we are mad,
us. And
but we are mad,
this place is quite everywhere. We can't see that much people. It is what time is it? It's 8:25. In this time, there should be people. We are walking at the quiet place. It's not that quiet, but there is no light over there, and we looks like a ghost. And you can now see our pretty face over there.
We're also getting crash on us.
Crash on us, and we realized yesterday we wear this dress, and same dress
Like today.
we wear today. And this is the place of what it is called. What is the name of this road?
Its call is mainly called as Adalat Road. Fauzdari is called the Fauzdari.
Fauzdari More, or turning, whatever you can say.
Here we can go. This road here we can go the Supreme Court.
We give you a big disclaimer. This video for little bit learning purpose, and
Our outside, opposite the road, there is a restaurant which is called is Chaper.
I don't know. I didn't see the name.
PC Chap. PC Chap.
PC Chap.
Okay, there is so much people, crowded. Always the crowd is continuously always crowd
There is a crowd every time,
every time, yeah. And we take food many times from there, but nowadays I think we need to
we need
move on.
to relax and get rid of street food.
Yeah.
We are at Shilpakala Academy, and this is statue of not a
Kazi Nazrul
statue,
Islam.
Kazi Nazrul Islam. You can see there, over here. He is a national poet of Bangladesh.
And many times I came here and performed in this Shilpakala Academy. And
He's a, he's a singer and he's kind of rock singer.
I did,
or-
I
yes.
had a band, but now I'm a solo artist. I had a good time with Shilpakala Academy. It's my good memory with this institution, and I did a theater which is against the drug.
Agnes the drug.
Yes, and these were too much viral for my
that was
performance.
too much viral,
Too much viral
performance.
for my performance, and I get respect from this my performance.
You got respect from that,
Yeah.
after doing
Yeah,
that
I'm just
performance,
rewarded.
you got rewarded and you got respect from people.
Yeah.
Behind us, there is a circuit house. And
If you're home, don't work circuit, then you can fix and
Fix from there.
Fix from there. You can inform them.
and there is a Dakghor. What call it?
If you
in
want to,
English?
if you want
It's
to,
post
if you
office.
want to
It's called
send
post
any
office.
letter, you can send from there.
Sent from there. But nowadays we don't have.
We don't have a-
We don't.
we don't have
in
anyone.
the era of like letter, and we have smartphone and everything. We don't have.
I
to
have a-
give letter.
Pig. What is called kobutar? Pagan.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Something. Yeah. And I wanna just write a letter and
Tied into pigeon's leg,
and
send
it
to.
will be go his house and he will cook and he will eat.
I will eat. I'll eat what?
He's a pigeon.
Pigeon. I will. Oh yes. It comes to us, and I will take later and eat pigeon. We are at the Tong Dukan. It's a small kind of shop selling tea, and Mugdho is ordered tea, and it's called liquor cha, or like it only it without milk. It called liquor
It's
cha,
called wrong cha.
wrong cha or something, and we are getting a tea from here.
We got the tea.
There is a place to sit. We can sit there, and we can sit outside.
It's also good. Here we can see the lemon,
Lemon
piece of lemon,
and
cut of ginger, and the
and other things, cloves. Maybe some. No, there is no cloves.
no, there is only ginger and a piece of lemon.
Piece of lemon.
It's too much flavorful.
There is a shop, and this is the place to sit, and this is a public toilet.
But it's not open. It's closed around 4-5 years ago, and it's closed.
Currently, it is not
Not working. And here you can see there is in front of this Kumila High School, which is also historical school.
There is a school. It's a historical school, and it's called Kumila High School. Whatever you can say.
My many friends are passed from
studied
there.
studied from there.
Started from there. I studied from the Kumilla Pulistan High School, which is also good and which is also a historical school. Nowadays, my school is totally different from when I get into it.
Studied.
Studied it, and after I completed my study.
After completion, your study. Oh, no problem. Tell.
After completed my study, and when we left the school, then we saw the school is continuously growing and developed.
Is being developed.
Is being developed. Why they don't choose that? Choose
to develop whenever you study. Studied. That's a big regret of yours. I like took a tea after him, and I finished before him.
And show me.
I'll show you whatever you wanna say.
They face that they are fixing everything, but they can fix my heart.
They can't.
They can't, yeah.
So that is it for today, and we will go home. And let's wrap it up the session, like vlog. And please like, comment, and subscribe our channel.